Well, I don't know about you, but I could use a coffee break. But this is not your average cup of coffee. This is Japanese-style jelly coffee. It's a coffee gelatin. It's cool, it's refreshing, it's delicious, and this version is insanely low in calories. And I'm gonna show you how to make it right now on the Cog is Shred. Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is John, and I've lost over 130 pounds naturally through mindful eating and daily walking, and I'm sharing some recipes here that could help you to lose weight and keep it off. This coffee is based on a Japanese jelly coffee recipe that a friend of mine sent me a while back. I tried it out, and I really liked it, but the original recipe calls for brown sugar. I wanted to cut the sugar, cut the calories, so I'm going to show you how I like to make it. All right, it's coffee time. Let's get cooking. One of my favorite things about this jelly coffee is just how quickly you can make it. It's just like making Jell-O. So we're gonna start off, I've got an 8-ounce cup of water in the microwave. I'm gonna microwave that for 3 minutes. While the water heats up, let's go ahead and get the ingredients put in here. We're gonna start off with some decaf instant coffee. You can use caffeinated if you want. I'm using decaf just in case I want to have it as a, an evening snack or something. But you can use full caffeine, and I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons. So that is roughly 15 grams. Next, we're gonna add 1 7-gram packet of unflavored gelatin. Instead of using brown sugar, we're going with brown monk fruit sweetener. It's 0 calories, but tastes like brown sugar. And we are going to add 1/3 of a cup, or 67 grams. And there we go. All right, and that's everything. The hot water is ready, so let's add our cup of hot water. 1 cup of hot water. Stir everything together until it's fully dissolved and mixed. And now we'll add 1 8-ounce cup of cold almond milk. Make sure your water is hot and your almond milk is cold.
Keep it hot, hot, keep it cool, cool.
If you want, you could do black coffee, just using cold water. That would cut down on the calories, but this is only 30 calories per cup, which is why I wanted to go with almond milk anyway. Almond milk is a very low calorie thing, and it just makes it a little bit creamier if you like cream in your coffee, but without making it super high in calories. And that is everything. So now we're just gonna pour this into 2 cups and put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours to set. So I've just got a couple of glasses here. We're gonna pour about 1 cup into this glass. I'm just gonna kind of go back and forth, even it out. All right, let's put these in the fridge and we'll check on them in a few hours.
6.5 hours later.
Well, this coffee has been in the fridge for several hours now and has had time to set, and at first glance, it still looks the same, but there's something different about it. I just can't put my finger on it. Oh, wait a second. Yes, I can.
Ha ha!
Now let's just top it with some Fat Free Reddi Wip and enjoy. Now I just added 40 grams of Reddi Wip, which means I've added 40 calories. All right, so let's dig in and give this a try. Get a little bit of the coffee and a little bit of the Reddi Wip, a little bit of each, and here we go. Oh man, yeah. Can you see that? Let me see if I can get a shot scooping some of that out. You can see the coffee. It's like a Jell-O with the whipped cream. It all blends together. I just love the flavor. Just having that cool, it's like an iced coffee with extra cream. It's different than, what I'm used to, but it's really nice. Oh yeah, look at that jiggle. That jiggles like I did before I lost the weight. Okay, so 1 cup of this jelly coffee, not counting the Reddi Wip, is only 34 calories. That's it, 34 calories. 7 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fat, 0 grams of protein. Yeah, there's no protein in it, but that's not the goal. This is just to have a nice little refreshing treat, But it's so low in calories. Now, I added 40 grams of fat-free Reddi Wip. It's about a calorie per gram, so I added 40 calories. So in total, this right here is 74 calories. That's it. You can add less Reddi Wip if you want. That's just what I chose. If you don't want to add any of the almond milk, like I said, if you just want to do cold water and do black coffee and whipped cream, even less. And if you don't want the whipped cream, super low, almost nothing.
Nothing! Absolutely nothing!
Anyway, like I said, it's just a nice little refreshing treat, especially now that the weather's starting to warm up and we're getting into spring. Sometimes you just want a nice, cool little iced coffee in Jell-O form.
Everything's made of Jell-O.
Okay, well, I'm going to enjoy the rest of my jelly coffee, and if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to the Cog Shred for more recipes and other videos related to my weight loss and fitness journey. And if you have any suggestions for recipes you might like to see in the future, please leave them in the comments below and let me know. I'd love to hear from you guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, keep on eating. Or slurping the Jell-O. I didn't think that through. I don't know.